Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the abandoned helicopter series. So if you wonder what happened since the last time, absolutely nothing. I didn't have the time to do anything. No one donated something, not money, something for the helicopter. We're gonna try to pump up the floats to see if they can hold air after all these years. Make a vacuum cleaning because it hasn't been vacuumed before. Thanks to the neighbor over there with the house, because he said to me, get as much electricity as you want in order to start working on this. And now I am making a beach bar in South Rhodes. So if you come in vacations, you should visit. And I'm planning next year to put it on a frame, put it on the beach bar and have it as a display, because we can't do anything else since it's a total mess. So first thing, I brought a air machine to try and pump air inside. Then I have a vacuum to try and make some cleaning, and let's see how this goes. Okay, let's start with the air. Let's open the flows. Unbelievable. The first float holds air. Let's go on the back. Okay. Now let's see if the second flow waiting for the enemy. This silence is a lie. They're hiding next to me. It's my time to shine, to win again. Heartbeat sound loud, here we go again. Feel calm, feel strong, never slowing down. Yeah, I'm never slowing down. Floating my way, living faster, pushing through the edge, I walk away. Yep, we have two holes, but if you can close them, we have air. Also this one, but they are destroyed. So, if you have any floats to donate, be welcome. Here is the hole that we have, and causes this one to lose air. Okay, it was good as long as it lasted. This side looks more promising. Let's see if it's released. So if they don't work or I can't fix them, I will just throw them away. Okay, I don't hear. We have holes also. Okay, this one also destroyed. But if I keep the holes, we have air. Okay. Okay, this one opened really well. Let's see if we have any success. Okay, so far this is the best float we pumped. Now let's try the other two sections. Alright, now let's try the front one opens easy. That's a good sign. Okay, question is, can it hold the air? We have some air. Amazing. Okay, this one also hold there. Now let's go this section too. So the first one opened really easy. So I think we're gonna have one side fully floated with air. Unbelievable. 20 years abandoned and it still holds the air. Okay, the moment of truth. No way. No way. No way. No way it holds air. Break, going home to have some lunch and coming back with a pressure washer and the vacuum machine to make whatever we can do. But it really is that from the fact that it holds air after 22 years.